Okay, here we go, guys. We're going now into the five themes of geography. And what are the five themes of geography and why are they important? Well, just like we said before, geography, what's geography? It's a study of the Earth's physical and cultural features. So, physical features meaning land, valleys, and stuff. And culture, here's a vocabulary word. Culture is like the beliefs, customs, traditions of a specific group of people, and you can divide up planet Earth into these um, cultured areas. So let's begin. What are the five themes of geography? Well, in order to remember the five themes of geography, I want you to remember this: Mr. Help. Okay? Mr. Help. You have five themes and you have a Mr. Help, and here's what they mean. Movement for Mr. Okay, movement. What moves? People move, information move, ideas move, products move. Whoa, look at that. Four things move with movement. So there's your Mr. M. People. People migrate from place to place. And that's what migration, a vocab word. Migration of people from one country to another. People move from one place to another. The next one is R, Mr. Region. Whoa, there's a three for a reason. Regions, movement, regions. What is a region? A region is an area of the earth distinguished by distinctive combination of cultural and physical features. So you have three fingers, three regions, and here's what they are. A formal region. A formal region is based upon people's cultures and beliefs. A formal region would be something like Brazil. They all speak the same. Well, maybe not Brazil, but they all speak, as we'll just say, Brazil speaks the same language. They speak Portuguese. All Brazilians speak Portuguese. They're all Catholic. That's like a formal region. The next region is a functional region. It serves a function. It serves a purpose. The Panama Canal is a functional region. That area of the word serves a function. Boats go through it. The last one is a perceptual region. What is a perception? What does a perception mean? A perception is like, hey, when I think about the Wild West, I think a cowboy. Right? Nobody thinks about everything else with the Wild West. Or if I think about the western part of the United States, they're all riding horses with cowboy hats and wrangling cattle. That's a perceptual region, how you perceive that region. The third one, HE, help, human environmental interaction. How do humans deal with the environment? Well, we adapt to it, we modify it, and we depend on it. So that's how three things with human environmental interaction. Three things with human environmental interactions. We adapt to the environment. We put on coats when it's cold. Okay, we modify the environment. All this area that was full of trees, we cut them down, and we depend on the environment by things like farming or using rivers for either food, transportation, or power sources. Location. There's two left for location. Why? Because there's two types of location. There is an absolute location and a relative location. Location is the position where you're at on planet Earth. A relative location is using directional phrases like, hey, how do I get to Walmart? Well, Walmart is you go down to the church, you make a right, go 2 blocks, it's on your left. An absolute location is using exact points or points on a map or a global address. Hey, where do you live? I live at 309 Wooten Street. Okay, that is an absolute. Last one is place. Why? Because you're in one place, and the one place is defined by two different things: human characteristics and physical characteristics. Human characteristics would be cultured, shares beliefs, stuff like that, and a physical place would be like the Ohio River Valley, Mount Olive, North Carolina. So there goes your five themes of geography. Any questions, go ahead and ask.